In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the home button in Google Chrome. If you want quick access to your favorite home page with a single click, Chrome lets you add the home button to the toolbar in just a few simple steps. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. In the Settings page, click Appearance from the menu on the left, scroll down until you find the Show Home button option. If the setting is turned off, click the toggle to enable it. As soon as it's enabled, the home button will appear on the left side of the address bar. Below the toggle, you'll see two home page options. You can choose New Tab Page if you want the home button to open a new tab, or select Enter Custom Web Address to have it open a specific website instead. If you choose a custom website, enter the full URL in the text box. Chrome saves the change automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. To confirm everything is working correctly, click the Home button in the toolbar. Chrome will immediately open the page you selected. That's how to enable the Home button in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.